Hi everybody, welcome back to Small Caliber Arms Review. I'm Richard. Today we're going to do a little experiment with accuracy and precision. Now, accuracy is the closeness of the measurement to a specific value. So I'm going to take a target here, just a sight-in target, and I'm going to see how accurate a gun is. And that could be putting one right dead in the center of it, and that would be considered accurate. Precision is the closeness of a measurement to each other. So if I put 5 shots and I can get them all in that little tiny spot there, then we can say it's both accurate and precise. If I put 5 shots, I'm aiming for there, and I get them over here and they're all in a little group, it could still be precise but not accurate because I want to get it here. This is the measurement I'm going for. And we're going to take the rifle and set it up out there in the stand, and we're going to see also how much movement at the end of the barrel, what it equates to at 100 yards. We're going to set up a dial indicator on here, and we're going to look through the scope and everything and see what we actually come up with. All right, I've got a dial indicator set up at the end of the barrel. I've got my camera in the crosshairs, and I've got one on the dial indicator, and I'm pretty close to the center right there. Let's dial that barrel over 10 thousandths of an inch, and then we'll see what the difference is at the target. I might be about 1 thousandths off there. So roughly right there is 10 thousandths of an inch. And what do I get at the target? I get roughly an inch, maybe an inch and a quarter, inch and a half, somewhere in there. A little hard to see, but still, that is a tremendous amount. And 10 thousandths of an inch is very, very little. Let's back it off 5 thousandths and see what we get there. That's roughly 5 thousandths. Gets us a little bit closer. We're probably, actually that's probably about an inch right there. It's hard to see those lines on there. Hopefully everything's in focus, but that is a tremendous amount of difference, that little tiny bit down here. So when you're talking about accuracy, someone who's a good shot, a precision shooter or something, that's a really tough thing to do, to make sure you get your shots right back in the same spot. The only way to absolutely ensure that the firearm is accurate is to remove all human element from it. Okay, now when we're talking about precision and accuracy, like I said, precision is being able to hit your mark, and accuracy is being able to hit it repeatedly, pretty much. Now this one, I don't even have it sighted in yet. I just brought it out here to show you a little demonstration about how much barrel movement means. Now I'm going to load this thing up. This will be the first shots I take of it, and I'm not going to do, this is not the gun review I'm doing right here. This is just a precision versus accuracy experiment, kind of. So I'm going to load 5 rounds in here. And like I said, it's not even sighted in, so I'm going to take a few shots and see if I can get it there, and then try to minimize as much human element as I can to see if I can make it, I guess, accurate, precise, you know, one of them things. I'm going to have to walk down there and take a peek at that because I can't see it on the paper there, but just mounted the scope, that's it. This will be the first time I didn't even bore sight it. You know what? It's probably a good thing to do first. That way I can see if I'm even anywhere near the target. Okay, gonna take another shot with it. All right, I see my mark there. I am about, looks like a 1/2 inch high and a 1/2 inch to the right. Just to make sure, I'm going to take 3 more shots, 2 more shots, a couple more shots right there and see what it does. It's about 2 inches high and 2 inches to the right. Now it's windy out here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but this is a 17 HMR, so it is not a one to buck the wind. Okay, right now I can say it's neither accurate or precise. Does that have anything to do with the firearm itself? Absolutely not. Does it have anything to do with me and the wind and that kind of stuff? Yeah, more than likely it does. It's getting a little dark, it's getting a little cool out, and this was just an experiment on the difference between accuracy and precision and how much barrel movement affects your point of impact. I will do a review on this rifle pretty soon, and I'm going to get it all dialed in before I do that, and then I think this is going to be a really good one. It is a Savage B20 or B17 precision rifle with the MDT chassis on it. Anyways, thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. If you could, hit this button up here to check out some of my other videos. Hit this button right here to subscribe if you haven't already, and thanks for taking a look at it. Accuracy versus precision.